Hey, hello guys! Today we have another Gamepass bird of Fun Family. Oh my gosh. But I still don't have it. It's the Paraton. It costs 600 Robux. What? Oh, wait, Phoenix. Phoenix! Oh! Phoenix. No way, what is wrong with you? You look like it's some type of weird bird. Phoenix. 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 This is so funny. It can make something like this. Wait. Whoa, I love it. But the Phoenix is so strange. I only like this detail. Yay! Okay, let's start buying the Paraton. But I want to start my own server, so I'm going to buy my own server. Okay, so I brought it, and I can go to my server. Birds. Let's join my server, Bird, and see. And just make sure you subscribe. All my videos are 1 year old. Oh my goodness, we reached 1 year old. Okay, Bird. We're joining Bird. It's still on 800 Robux. What? You got comments? Comments! Oh, you can do this. That's so cool. Let's buy you, Paraton. Okay, Paraton, 100 Robux down. We got Paraton, yeah! This egg looks like the orb. You could customize it. Oh my gosh. Could literally customize this egg. I love it. It's just so cool. What if you custom? Oh. Okay, just leave it like that. It's so cool. I'll have to do it on full size or no. Let's just teleport to Fun Family, and I'm going to start my own. Oh, we spawned in this dimension. We spawned in the graveyard. There's now a nest right there. Okay, what? Wait, there is. Is that another player? Oh no. Thank you for not fearing me. What is that? After months of hearing it finally, blah, blah, blah. What is wrong with this bird? Is this a bird? Are you kidding me? Whoa. This bird looks as cool thing. Okay. Paraton. I think that's the one of the best birds on Fur Family. Look, it looks like a little one. Oh my gosh. Is this a dangerous bird? Does it have magic? Oh. Whoa! This bird can turn invisible like a ghost. They say just turn into a ghost-like bird. Voila. I can just see something. Creepy! Oh, this is so creepy, this bird. I love it. I can fly a bit. That's limited flight. Okay. This bird can turn so good. Okay. We got a do and a book. I want to be first the book because it looks so cool. I want the book. The book looks so cool. Oh, look at this magic. Oh, this is so creepy. But I always love this bird. I think this is one of the best birds of Fairy Family. Wait, it looks like it's starting to preen, then it rears. Okay, now preen. Closing eyes. Okay, lie. And rest. Magic and fly. It has also flying trails. I can make a private server. Oh my gosh! That's it. I'm making my most first server. Oh, Peloton. Okay, let's start. Show my private server. It's my first private server actually. So I am going to join it and see if I have this bird. Oh my gosh, it's a bit laggy. It's a bit laggy. Okay, so we did join my server and looks like I get comments on this book. I hope nobody said here music because I forgot to type in music. Let's see the book. How it will be if you color its magic. Oh, you can see such an orb then. That the magic. Black. I shall make it black because it will be a bit scarier. Okay, let's become the largest size. Then we can turn into the magic. Whoa, a black. Okay, this place is such weird. I'm in a graveyard. Help. I'm in a graveyard now. So I can see, oh, somebody joined. Oh, I hope it's not a noob. Who is this? Who is this? Hello? Hello? Video. I got video. You said yeah? Okay. You said yeah, hello. Hi. Yeah, we just have my first house. Hello, I'm studying X. Blah, blah, blah. You're a weird person, idiot. Okay. Where do I make? Oh, they left the game. She'll make an RP or something like that.